welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, guys, as you know, 11/11 has just passed. Happy shopping, guys. I hope you guys have had a lot of shopping during 11/11. I had as well. I had a lot of fun. And ordered a lot of parts. So for those of you who are new here, please subscribe. Because we have a lot of videos like this coming up. Right. So for today's episode, guys, we will be doing something which I have thought to do for a long while. Which is the M pedals. Alright, so these pedals are the legendary M pedals. These are not even the original M pedals as well. But this when you fix this on, guys, the horsepower increase is real, guys. I would say this one will be at least 40 horsepower. On dyno, on wheel should be about 20 plus 30. And for this one, when you change this, your brakes transform. You'll be like those big brake calipers. The BKK is been called BBK. Alright, so guys, for today's episode, we'll be installing this. And there's a surprise at the end of the video because I bought something which is not for BMWs, but I'm going to fix it on my car as well. Right, so stay tuned to the end, because we have a special one at the end of the video. Alright, and guys, for those of you who have been here for a while, you have known, I made the announcement last week. I say, guys, you can contact me, this and that and all this, and I forgot to include in my email address. So some of you guys have WhatsApp me. For those of you who are in my WhatsApp group chats, good job, you guys have WhatsApp me, inform me and all this. And at the same time, I actually have a few requests coming in. Alright, so I'm guessing we might have new videos and new content coming up. Alright, so for those of you who are interested in my services, check me out. The email is in already. Alright, and another thing to add in, for those of you who are requesting services on the car and all this, please check out the videos I have. Check out my automotive playlist. All the videos I have, those are the services I'm providing, guys. Please don't give me new services that I have not done yet on my car. Because if I have not done yet, I mean, it'll be quite scary because the first time I'm doing it is on your car. Right, so guys, choose those that are already done on my car, and you have seen what I've done, and you are satisfied with it. Contact me and ask for that services. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how we get these pedals on. Right, so let's go. Okay, this is something we call the Maybach headrest. Okay, it's for the Mercedes Maybach, right? And you know it's supposed to be very luxurious. Okay, we couldn't fit it on. Okay, because I mean these headrests, okay, are very firm and very nice. Okay, but the thing is, why not get something softer? Alright, so I'm going to try to fix this. So guys, okay, that is a short and sweet video. Okay, all the links to the items will be in the description down below. If you want to buy this, okay, check out the links. Alright, so guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please remember to smash the like button. Remember to subscribe, okay, and we have a lot more videos like this coming up. And for those of you who need my services, okay, all the contact details are in the description down somewhere. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy. Happy morning your car. Bye.